It was a busy afternoon for the seagulls round Birdy Cove. But far from where the others were feeding flew Terrence the Seagull. Terrence spent his days alone, practicing flying higher and faster.
Why can't you be like the rest of the flock and just feed?
His mother asked. And all the others, they just raft and raft. I meant laughed. But Terrence cared only for flying. "Short wings," said Terrence. "A falcon can fly higher because he has short wings." So he folded his wings and flew on the tips alone. He flew higher and faster. He flew 2,000 feet above Birdy Cove.
Eureka!
Shouted Terrence.
I'm free!
It was then that Terrence noticed the propellers of the helicopter approaching him. So he mustered every bit of strength he had and flapped his wings and got away. "I used my flying strength to save my life," said Terrence. It was then that he noticed the second helicopter. "Fuck!" said Terrence. "Oh, sweet fucking Christ, it's sucking me in!" he yelled. Terrence was scared shitless. The first time the blade hit, it ripped the intestines out of Terrence's stomach and into his face. "Mother of fucking God, help me!" shouted Terrence, as the blade then ripped his feet and chunks of his bowels from him. "Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!" screamed that little pussy, with his own blood and excrement splashing through the air. Then the blade hit him square in the chest, and Terrence exploded into bloody chunks of severed organs, bodily fluids, and feathers. Down in Birdy Cove, they remember it still, because even they could hear his final words.